The demand for cybersecurity professionals is at all-time high. The labor market for IT employees has been tightening throughout 2022, a trend that exacerbates hiring challenges for cybersecurity leaders. In this video, I'm going to show you a cloud security architecture skill scope in terms of architecture and strategy, and also from the technical perspective as how cybersecurity leaders can fill the cybersecurity skills gap. This diagram has been taken from Gartner, and from the 2022 quarter two Gartner's Global Market Survey, the number of IT employees seeking employment has increased by 3% as compared to the last year. The number of available jobs openings for cybersecurity far outstrips the supply. Also, demand for cybersecurity professionals is 4 times higher than the available supply, according to the Talent Neuron data. At the same time, specialists' optimism about job opportunities and their expectations of high rewards upon switching employers continue to increase, and it is as high as 13.6%. The combination of limited availability of cybersecurity talent and high expectation for new job makes it more challenging for organizations to compete for talent. For these reasons, CISOs should satisfy talent demands by sourcing staff from less conventional channels, look beyond external hiring, and capitalize on hidden internal talent pipelines. They must build unicorn teams using non-cybersecurity talent from other functions to handle lower-level cybersecurity tasks. This will unburden overwhelmed specialists and enable cybersecurity expertise to proliferate across business functions. They should also supplement internal talent sourcing by expanding application pools to reach interested non-conventional talent, prioritizing competencies and fit over restrictive education and industry experience requirements. Finally, proactively identify and foster emerging cybersecurity leadership talent in your existing teams as a strategy to retain top cybersecurity talent and mitigate the shortages of cybersecurity professionals. So I hope that this guideline is helpful. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.